Hi, I'm Lisa McLean with Barrett Sotheby's International Realty, and today I am at the Concord Market.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Akehurst-Moore. I'm one of the owners here at Concord Market, and it's so great to have you with us today.
Thank you so much for having us. I must say I'm delighted that you open at 7 in the morning. I was here this morning at 7:01 picking up half and half for my coffee, and here I am back again. And you know what? I think I've been here almost every day since you've opened. It's fantastic, Elizabeth.
Thank you
it's
so
really
much.
great. It feels as though you've been here kind of forever and a staple in the Concord community, and yet you're relatively new. Can you tell us a little bit about how the market came to be?
Sure. So we started on this site in 2011 with the restaurant, Trails End Cafe, which is right across the plaza. And after that, we really wanted to continue putting food use on this site and getting into retail. So we've been working 5+ years, and we are thrilled to finally be open.
It's wonderful the way this whole area with the development that you've done and this gorgeous building. Now we're seeing the infrastructure with the sidewalks and improving the roads and bringing this part of town and connecting it to the other part of town. It's really long overdue.
That was definitely part of the vision. I think if you walk this loop, it's about 10 minutes from here down to Main Street.
It's so
around
close.
It's
so
really
close.
part of Concord
It
Center.
is. Once you're in the market and you walk around, you realize it really feels different than anything else we have here in Concord. What was your vision on the kinds of foods and products that you were going to offer?
So the first thing is quality across the board, obviously, kind of handcrafted, small batch products, specialty items, a lot of local produce, great baking team on staff, and just wonderful cooks. And we offer all sorts of prepared foods, which is really wonderful.
I have had a number of the prepared foods and have been recommending them to other folks. They're delicious. They really are amazing.
I think something special about this market is that we have a culinary director. He is also the culinary director at the restaurant, and he comes from Beacon Hill Bistro in Lumiere and West Newton, so he has a great pedigree.
Fantastic. And in addition to restaurant quality prepared foods, you have this beautiful counter with fish and fresh meats, as well as wine and groceries. It's really one-stop shopping.
And that was also part of the vision, that you could come in and get a meal for dinner, you get a bottle of wine, and then if you need to get something for your kids to take to school, you can get that as well. You need to just do shopping in general.
Besides the beautiful setting and the wonderful products, it feels like a coming together of the community, both in terms of the people that are working here. A lot of familiar faces for those of us who have lived in Concord and shopped in Concord for a long time. And then, of course, I don't think there's a time I've been here where I haven't seen somebody that I know. And it feels like a community gathering place.
That's something that was very important to us. It has been important to us at Trails End to really become part of the community. And it's very important to us here, too, to become a place that is friendly and community oriented, and really kind of, we joke that it's kind of a modern day general store. You come in, people know who you are.
Well, that is really something so special and unique about Concord, and I really appreciate your having us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We really appreciate you being here.
For all things Concord, for all things real estate, I'm Lisa McLean with Barrett Sotheby's International Realty. You can find me at 33 Walden Street, or you might find me here.
And for all things food, we hope you come visit us at Concord Market. We're at 77 Lowell Road in Concord. You can find us online at theconcordmarket.com. We have all the information about our specialty food as well as our prepared food and some holiday menus on there as well.
Oh, good to know.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.